Let's help Ramu uncle count.
Meenu, come. Let us go and play with Sahil and Sheila.
I will also come, Chinu. Okay, Buzz, you can also come. Futta, Raja, come, let's go. Oh, so many ducks. Quack, quack, quack.
Oh, Buzz. Don't buzz near their ears.
Look, I counted them. There are 30 ducks here.
Look, some more ducks are coming. 8 more ducks have come. Now there are 38 ducks. I know 30 plus 8 is equal to 38 ducks. Look, they are Ramu uncle's ducks.
Hello children. Now I can also count. I go to the classes in the village in the evening. Look, I have 38 ducks.
Yes, Ramu uncle. You have 38 ducks.
Children, can you come with me and count my chicks also?
Yes, uncle, that will be fun. Come, let's go. Oh, Ramu uncle, your chicks are so pretty and yellow. Let me count them.
Buzz, stop. Don't go very close to them. They will run away. Let me count them. Uncle, you have 16 chicks.
I have 38 ducks. I have 16 chicks. How many ducks and chicks do I have together?
Let me add them, Ramu uncle. First, I will write it like this. 38 plus 16.
What is that? 10 and 1.
That is tens and ones. You have 38 ducks. That is 30 plus 8 ducks. It is 3 tens and 8 ones. So we write 3 under 10 and 8 under 1.
And you have 16 chicks. That is 10 plus 6 chicks. It is 1 10 and 6 ones. So, we write 1 under 10 and 6 under 1.
Now let me add. First, I will add the ones. It is 8 plus 6. 14. I will write a small 1 here and a 4 here. Now I will add the tens. It is 1 plus 3 plus 1, which is equal to 5. It is 54.
Ramu uncle, you have 54 ducks and chicks in all.
Thank you children.
Bye, Ramu uncle. We are going to play now.
Hello everybody. Where are you going?
We are going to play. What are you eating, Monku?
I am eating bananas.
Do you like bananas?
Oh, I love bananas. I can eat 26 bananas in a week.
26 bananas? Oh, that's too much.
No, it is not too much. My mother can eat 42 bananas in a week.
42 bananas? So, who eats more bananas?
My mother eats more bananas than me.
Monku, do you know how many more bananas she eats?
No. How to do that?
I will tell you. Your mother eats 42 bananas. You eat 26 bananas. Let me write it first. 42 minus 26. I will do the ones first. I can't take away 6 bananas from 2 bananas. So I will cut 4 and write 3 here. Then I will write a small one here. Oh, now I will do it, Chinu. 12 minus 6 equals 6. So I will write 6 here. Then 3 minus 2 equals to 1. I will write 1 here. It is 16 bananas. Monku, your mother eats 16 more bananas than you. Oh, both of you eat so many bananas.
Buzz, you also drink lots of honey.
Okay, Monku. Bye. We have to go and play.
Bye.
Hello, Sahil. Hello, Sheila. Come, let's play.
What shall we play?
Okay, I will write a number under each tree. Let me write it first. 47, 54, 39, 65 and 18.
What should we do, Futta?
Now I will say 2 numbers. You have to add the 2 numbers. Whoever gets the right answer should run and go stand near that number.
Okay, Futta. Start. Wait. I don't know what to do. It's okay, Buzz. We will start playing. You will understand.
Okay, 20 plus 34.
20 plus 34 is equal to 54. 54.
That's right, Sahil. 22 plus 25.
22 plus 25 is equal to 47.
That's right, Chinu. Now 25 plus 14.
25 plus 14 is equal to 39. 39.
That's right, Sheila. 47 plus 18.
I know. 47 plus 18 is equal to 65. Meenu, how did you do it so fast? It is easy, Buzz.
Take away 3 from 18. So 18 becomes 15. Now add the 3 to 47. 47 plus 3 is equal to 50. Now add 50 and 15. It is 65.
Meenu, you are very smart. Now 15 plus 3.
I know. 15 plus 3 equals to 18. It is 18.
That's right, Buzz.
This game was fun, Futta.
Now let us count the flowers in the garden. I will count them.
Okay, Buzz. You count the flowers.
There are 57 red flowers, 18 blue flowers, 38 yellow flowers, and 87 pink flowers in the garden. Which color flower is the most?
I will tell you. Pink flowers are the most and blue flowers are the least.
It is 62 minus 33. I am thinking.
Buzz, it's 29. Grandma is 29 years older than Ma.
I was just going to say 29.
Come, let's go inside the house. I will ask you something. I went to the market yesterday. Ma gave me 35 rupees. Grandma gave me 27 rupees. I bought a book for 8 rupees, some vegetables for 17 rupees, and a bat for 12 rupees. Can you tell me how much money was left with me?
Meenu, look, Chinu is troubling me. He is asking me something I don't know.
Buzz, come here. You know how to do it. I will tell you how. First, Ma gave 35 rupees and Grandma gave 27 rupees. It is 35 plus 27. $62. So Chinu had 62 rupees when he went to the market.
Now I know. Chinu bought a book for 8 rupees and vegetables for 17 rupees. Let me add it first. 8 plus 17 equal to 25. Then he bought a bat for 12 rupees. So let me add it now. 25 plus 12 equals to 37. Chinu bought things for 37 rupees.
Chinu had 62 rupees when he went to the market. He bought things for 37 rupees. So we have to do 62 minus 37. $62 minus 37 is equal to 25. 25 rupees. So, Chinu had 25 rupees left with him.
Chinu, you had 25 rupees left with you. See, I know it now.
But Meenu helped you. Friends, you can also play number games with your friends. It is lots of fun. Shall we help Buzz now? 27 plus 15 is equal to 42. 18 plus 25 is equal to 43. 36 minus 18 is equal to 18. 41 plus 29 is equal to 70. 52 minus 14 is equal to 38.
Come on, friends. Will you take your notebook and pencil? Let us start now. Will you answer loudly?
Buzz has 19 yellow flowers. Butterfly has 28 pink flowers. How many flowers do they have in all? Nineteen plus 28 is equal to 47. 19 plus 28 is equal to 47 flowers. They have 47 flowers. Monku has 36 peanuts. Squirrel has 27 peanuts. How many peanuts are there in all? "36 plus 27 is equal to 50. 63. 36 plus 27 is equal to 63. There are 63 peanuts. Appu is 54 years old. His child is 16 years old. How many years is Appu older than his child? 54 minus 16 is equal to 38. 54 minus 16 is equal to 38. Appu is 38 years older. Shyama has 38 books. Sheila has 19 books. How many more books does Shyama have? "38 minus 19 is equal to 19. 38 minus 19 is equal to 19. Shyama has 19 more books. Futta is in the market. He buys a book for 18 rupees and a bat for 16 rupees. How much does he have to pay the shopkeeper? "18 plus 16 is equal to 34. 18 plus 16 is equal to 34. Futta has to pay 34 rupees to the shopkeeper. Futta has to pay the shopkeeper 34 rupees. He gives him 53 rupees. How much money will the shopkeeper return to Futta? 53 minus 34 is equal to 19. "53 minus 34 is equal to 19. The shopkeeper will return rupees 19. Shall we find which is the most and which is the least? 57 pink flowers, 41 yellow flowers, and 18 red flowers. "57 pink flowers are the most, and 18 red flowers are the least. "48 red pencils, 23 yellow pencils, and 27 green pencils. "48 red pencils are the most, and 23 yellow pencils are the least. "37 orange books, 28 green books, and 53 yellow books. "53 yellow books are the most, and 28 green books are the least. "17 blue balloons, 15 orange balloons, and 19 yellow balloons. "19 yellow balloons are the most, and 15 orange balloons are the least.